Very good morning, everybody. On behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you on the event of 26th Annual Conference of TapasuCon 2021. We appreciate you taking time off your busy schedules to join us today. To begin the program of inauguration, I would like to invite the following esteemed dignitaries to occupy the chairs in dais. Professor Ellen Thurirajan, President Tapasu. Professor Devaprasad Jayasekharan, Vice President Tapasu. Secretary Tapasu, Dr. Punraj. Treasurer of Tapasu, Dr. Rajesh. Thank you, sirs. May I now request everyone to stand up for invocation as we play Tamil Thai Valtu. Thank you, sir. May I now request the President and the other dignitaries in the dais to formally inaugurate the TapasuCon 2021 conference by lighting the Kuttuvalakku. Now I request Professor Devaprasad Jayasekharan sir to deliver the welcome address to the gathering.
Good morning, everybody. On behalf of the organizing committee, I extend a very warm welcome to each and every one of you on this very special, auspicious day, which is a Teachers' Day. And I wish each and every one of the teachers here a very happy Teachers' Day and wish you many years of happy teaching. I must first appreciate and be grateful to each and every one of you for having taken time to travel during these difficult days to reach Nagarkoil, Kanyakumari, as you say, the land's end, or we will say the beginning of the country. And I hope that you all had a pleasant evening and a good stay here. And it's my pleasure to welcome our President of Tapasu, Dr. Durarajan. In spite of his problems in the hospital, he managed to come away and be with us, and we are very thankful to you, sir. And I welcome once again. And I welcome our dynamic secretary, Ponraj, and who's been the man behind the whole show, doing everything and arranging it in an exemplary manner. Welcome, Dr. Ponraj. And I welcome Dr. Rajesh, who's a treasurer and been the person supportive all along. Welcome, Dr. Rajesh. And also it's my pleasure to welcome today's awardees, Dr. Mosadik. Thank you for coming and gracing the occasion. And Dr. Sendil, thank you, sir, for coming. And all my friends and other dignitaries who are here. And also welcome the delegates who have taken time to be with us to make this function a success. And on behalf of everybody, I wish you a very grand, successful day today and an enjoyable conference. May I request also to all of you to keep your cell phone silent because this program is being recorded. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful opening remarks. May I now request our dynamic Tapasu Secretary, Dr. Ponraj, sir, to present the Secretary's report.
Good morning, respected seniors, dear friends. It's an immense pleasure and a great privilege to be the Secretary of Tapasu, one of the prestigious organizations in India. As I took charge of the Tapasu Secretary, I had excellent guidance of Professor Durarajan sir, who was helping me all along, and a very good company of council members, treasurer, who have been a source of support, and they are guiding me with their ideas and innovative ways so that our Tapasu can function in a better way and it's more helpful to the urologist of Tamil Nadu. First of all, we got the Tamil Nadu Medical Council registration to get the CME accreditation for Tapasu as such, so that in future whatever the conferences or meetings which are conducted under the banner of Tapasu will get CME credit points of the medical councils. The midterm CE was conducted by the JIPMER Urology Department under the guidance of Professor Durarajan sir. The topic was urethral reconstruction in both males and females. It was conducted in an online manner because of this COVID situation. From 8th and 9th of May, it was well attended, and many nuances in urethral reconstruction, including female urethral reconstruction, was discussed in detail in that meeting. First time we conducted an online quiz program for the postgraduates in the Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, so that we get a very good representation in the South Zone, so that we can win the South Zone prize. It was ably conducted by Dr. Larif and Dr. Subhaganesh of Tirunelveli Medical College, and it was a well conducted one. First time they have introduced artificial intelligence in Tapasu for conducting the quiz program. And we lost a great soul, Professor Ravindranath, who was of immense help to the Urology Association as well as the budding urologist. We conducted a condolence meeting for him on 4/7/2021. Now we are planning to revamp the website and make it more useful for the Tamil Nadu urologist, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry urologist. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We could see how much effort you have put in organizing this event. Next, I would like to invite Professor Thorarajan sir to deliver the President's address.
Respected Vice President Dr. Deva Prasad Jayashekaran, Secretary Tapasu Dr. C. Pondraj, Treasurer Dr. Rajesh Rajendran, esteemed council members, respected past presidents, eminent teachers, my dear fellow colleagues, the Tapasu members, and other enthusiastic delegates. Greetings on this occasion of the inauguration of the 26th Annual Conference of the Association of TapasuCon 2021. In this conference, Tapasu completes 25 years in its service to the urologists of not only Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, but also to the country and the world. We met a year ago online. We felt we'll be rid of this scourge of COVID pandemic and that the last conference would be the first and last virtual annual conference of Tapasu, but alas, that was not to be. Within 3 months of the new council taking over, the country was hit by the second wave of COVID pandemic. Physicians, surgeons, and urologists alike, both in government and private institutions, had to raise to the call of the nation and work for saving lives of suffering patients with COVID. Urology took a back seat. The deadly hands of COVID touched almost every family, including many of our members, and it disrupted our work schedules and also many of our livelihoods. Despite these disruptions, and the tenure of this council being just 9 months, I am happy to say that the team, especially the secretary, Dr. Pondraj, have tried to advance the academics and the interests of the members and the society. As already stated by Dr. Pondraj in his report, a midterm CU was conducted on the advances in urethral reconstruction through JIPMER. Dr. Manikandan, Professor of Urology, and Dr. Srirag, Associate Professor, organized this on a virtual mode, and this was attended by 150 participants. An online quiz competition that Dr. Pondraj mentioned for the selection of postgraduate representatives was organized at a very short notice. It was an incredible achievement that Dr. Pondraj did, because the notice was just about a week, and he was ably supported by Dr. Larif and Dr. Subhaganesh from the Tirunelveli Medical College. Dr. Pondraj also took the initiative, and with the help of Dr. Arun Kumar Paranjodi and from Chennai and Dr. Nagarajan, helped the society in getting the academic program accredited by the Tamil Nadu Medical Council. I can say that this is an extraordinary effort, and we need to thank the whole team on this. And as a grand finale for this year, we have the annual conference of TapasuCon 2021 on virtual mode. The response to this conference has been impressive, looking at the number of participants and the papers being presented for advancing the field of urology. I thank Tapasu Secretary Dr. Pondraj and his team, the sagely guidance of past President Dr. Kannan, and the fantastic support and encouragement by the Vice President Dr. Deva Prasad Jayashekaran, the council members and all faculty members of this conference, the presenting authors, for their valuable contribution to the conference for the betterment of urological services to the patients. I wish the conference all success. Thank you.
Thanks, sir, for the enlightening speech. We next move on to the presentation of the medals. The Euroturn Gold Medal for the year 2021 to be presented to Professor R. Jayaraman, sir. We request Professor Jayaraman, sir, to the dais. May I now request Secretary Dr. Ponraj to read the citation.
Eurotan gold medal was initiated by Professor S. Balasubramaniam of Tanjavur. Professor Dharmarajan sir was the person who is following it up. This is given to the persons or urologists who have excelled in the field of urology and helped in the progress of urology in the state of Tamil Nadu. This year, this medal is given to Professor R. Jayaraman. Professor R. Jayaraman was born in the year 1956, graduated from Madurai Medical College in the year 1979, and he finished his MS General Surgery from Madurai Medical College in the year 1983 from Madurai Kamaraj University. During his undergraduate course, he was awarded the following medals and merit certificates. He received MSP Solai Nadar Gold Medal for Surgery in the final year MBBS, Dr. P. Vadamalayan Gold Medal and Dr. Avvai Memorial Gold Medal for securing highest mark in the final year university examination in obstetrics and gynecology. He received certificate of merit in pathology. He scored highest marks in MS General Surgery examination and got first rank in Madurai Kamaraj University and was awarded Dr. P. Vadamalayan Endowment Gold Medal. Dr. R. Jayaraman joined Tamil Nadu Medical Services in 1983 as Assistant Professor of Urology in the Department of Urology, Madras Medical College and Government General Hospital. He became the head of the Department of Urology, Madras Medical College in the year 2007 and retired in the year 2014. During his tenure as HOD, he organized cadaver kidney transplant program on a regular basis at Government General Hospital, which has become a very successful program of our state. At present, working as Professor and HOD of Urology at Balaji Medical College and Hospital at Chennai. During his tenure of 3 decades, he has trained more than 150 MCH urology postgraduate students. He was MCH examiner for more than 15 years and examiner in almost all universities in South India and North India. He was also a DNB examiner in many centers in our country. He was appointed by MCA as inspector for starting MCH courses in many centers. He was the organizing secretary of USICON 2018, Chennai. He has delivered prestigious Professor S.B. Umabadi Memorial Oration during Tapasukan 2012 at Coimbatore. He has conducted Kiviraj Memorial Symposium during South Zone Conference at Bangalore. He was the past president of South Zone Urological Society of India. He was a past council member for the Urological Society of India. He was the past president and secretary of Tapasu. He was the past president and secretary of Madras Urological Society, and he was a council member representing South Zone in Urological Society of India. He had many publications, to name a few: Safety and Efficacy of Bipolar Energy for Transurethral Resection of Bladder Tumors, a prospective quasi-randomized study. Unusual foreign body in the urinary bladder. Emphysematous pyelonephritis with the IVC thrombus in new onset diabetes mellitus. Mr. President, I present to you Dr. R. Jayaraman, who is rightly chosen to receive the prestigious Euroton Gold Medal of Tapasu for the year 2021 for his academic commitment, excellence and dedication in urology.
I now request our President to honor Professor R. Jayaraman sir with the medal. I would like to invite Professor Jayaraman sir to say a few words on his acceptance of the medal.
Respected President of Tapasu, Dr. Durai Rajan, respected Vice President of Tapasu, Dr. Devaprasad Jayasekaran, Dr. Ponraj, Secretary of Tapasu, Dr. Rajesh, Treasurer of Tapasu, senior members and fellow urologists. It is a great honor bestowed on me on this day for choosing me for this one of the prestigious award of our association, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry Association of Urologists, the Eurotan Gold Medal. I must thank all the council members and the office bearers of Tapasu for selecting me for this one of the very honor in awarding this medal. So I must thank everybody for giving me this medal and the award. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We feel immensely proud to present this medal to you. As we come to the end of the inauguration function, may I invite Dr. Rajesh, Treasurer Tapasu, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Distinguished speakers, honorable council members, and urology friends across Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. It's a great privilege to deliver a vote of thanks for this Tapasukon 2021. At the outset, I would like to thank Kanyakumari Urology Club for the logistics help to conduct this conference. I thank all the faculty members for their immense academic contribution. I thank all the pharma companies and sponsors for this academic gathering. Last but not the least, I thank all the members who attended this conference, who made this conference a grand success. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Let's stand for the national anthem.